Hello dear students, today we are going to learn about the clock and time. So let's start. This is a clock. A clock tells us time. A clock has two hands, long hand and short hand. Long hand is known as minute hand and this one is the short hand and short hand is known as hour hand. Okay, now
At the clock. This is round shaped clock and this is rectangle shaped clock. And you know that this is the face of the clock. This is the face of the clock. Here from number 1 to 12 are marked. Okay, 1 to 12 are marked at equal distances. And between 12 to 1 you can see that there are 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These units are measured as minute. Okay, and between 12 and 1 and between 1 and 2, between 2 and 3 there are, and each number, between each number there are 5 units. Similarly, in between 1 and 2, in between 2 and 3, and start counting the unit from the mark 12, come back to it, you will get 60 units. Here you start from 1, you will get here in 1, at 1 it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It means multiple of 5. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. It means there are total 60 units. So that in 1 hour, it means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, now when a minute hand complete one round, this is the minute hand and this is hour hand. Hour hand is short in size and minute hand is long. Now if the minute hand is complete one rotation, complete one round, okay, it means 1 hour is complete. It moves through these small 60 unit. The minute hands take 1 hour to complete these 60 minutes. And at that time, this hour hand moves only this unit to this big unit, large unit. This is the large unit from 1, 2, 3, and this shows the hour. The hour hand takes 60 minutes to move from one number to next number. If this hand moves from 3 to 4, it takes 60 minutes. Okay, now learn it well. Here it is, when the long hand is on 12, it means it says what is the time? 7 o'clock. We will write as 7 o'clock. O clock. Why it is written 7 o'clock? It means o'clock means of the clock. We will write as 7 o'clock or 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock or 8 o'clock. So o'clock means of the clock. And it is used only on hour. And when the minute hand moves to 3, and this part is known as, when the minute hand is on the 3, we will use as quarter past. Quarter past. It means 1/4 part is completed. Quarter past 3 or quarter past 8. If the hand moves to 7, 12 to 3, it means it says as quarter past 7. Okay, first, if the hand moves from 12 to 1, then it is said as 5 past 7. 5 past 7. Okay, it means after 7, 5 minutes completed. Now, if the hand moves from 1 to 2, it is said as 10 past 7. And if the hand is on the 3, it is said as 15 past 3 or quarter past 3. If the hand is on the 4, long hand is on the 4, it says at 20 past 7. And if the hand moves from 4 to 5, the time is 25 past 7. Okay, and if the minute hand is on the just before 6, 1 minute before, it is said as 29 past 7. But when the hand is on the 6, it is said as half past 7. It means the hand completes half of the clock. Okay, half past 7, or it is also written as 7:30. Now from here, if the needle or hand is on the 7, then the hour hand moves slightly towards 8. Okay, and if the long hand is on the 7, it is called 25 to 8, because the hour hand moves towards 8. So now after 6, it is called as 2. It means 25 to 8. It means it is also written as 7:35. Okay, now if the long hand is on the 8, it is called as 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 to 8. It means 8 बजने में 20 मिनट बाकी है. Now, if the long hand is on the 9, then it is called as quarter. Quarter to 8. It means 8 बजने में 15 मिनट बाकी है. 15 minutes left to 8. Now if the hand is on the 10, long hand is on the 10, then it is said as 10 to 8. 8 बजने में 10 मिनट बाकी है. Now if the long hand is on the 11, it is said as 5 to 8. 8 बजने में 5 मिनट बाकी है. Okay, now when the long hand is on the 12 and the short hand is on the 8, it is written as 8 o'clock. Right? In this way, we will see the time. In this, you can understand that if the clock or needle moves in this side, half of this side, we will use past. 7 past 5 or 7 past 10 past 5 past 7 or 10 past 7. And if the needle moves after 6, it is used as 2. 2 is used, and here past is used. Okay, now in between 12 to 1 or 1 to 5, there are 5 minutes. We can write as 5 minutes, and we will multiply. 5 ones are 5, 5 minutes, 5 twos are 10, 10 minutes. It means 8, 8, 10 or 8, 15, or in this way you can read the watch or clock. Okay, now student,
Here you can see that in this picture the short hand is at 3 and the long hand, it means minute hand, is at 12. So what is the time? It's 3 o'clock. If the long hand is at 1, the time is 5 minutes past 3. And if the long hand is at 2, the time is 10 minutes past 3. If the minute hand is at 3, the time is quarter past 3 or 3:15. If the long hand is at 4, the time is 20 past 3. If the long hand is at 5, time is 25 past 3. If the long hand is at 6, the time is half past 3 or 3:30. If the minute hand is at 7, time is 25 minutes to 4. It means 3:35. If the long hand is at 8, time is 20 minutes to 4. It means 3:40. If the long hand is at 9, time is quarter to 4. It means 3:45. If the long hand is at 10, time is 10 minutes to 4. It means 3:50. If the long hand is at 11, time is 5 minutes to 4. It means 3:55. Okay, and if the long hand is at 12 and the short hand is at 4, the time is finally 4 o'clock. It means the long hand completes one complete round. Okay, thanks for watching.